Today topic is modulus of a complex numbers and square root of a complex numbers. First definition, modulus of a complex number. Modulus of a complex number. If z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then modulus of complex number is mod z is equal to square root of real part, first real part whole square plus second real part whole square. A and B are real parts. A plus ib is a complex number. Next definition, square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number. If z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then square root of a complex number is plus or minus mod z plus a divided by 2, square root of mod z plus a divided by 2 plus b divided by ib. I means imaginary part. ib divided by modulus of b into square root of mod z minus a divided by 2. This is square root of a complex number. Okay. Now ex number 2.5, sum number 1. Find the modulus of the following. Find the modulus of the following complex number. Number 1, 2i divided by 1 plus I. No, 3 plus 4i. Let z equal to 2i divided by 3 plus 4i. Take mod on both sides. Mod z is equal to 2i divided by 3 plus 4i. The numerator can be written in the form of 0 plus I into 2 divided by 3 plus 4i. This can be written as modulus of 0 plus I into 2 divided by modulus of 3 plus 4i. Reason, modulus of z1 divided by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Therefore, numerator divided by denominator. Now this can be written as square root of 0 square plus 2 square divided by square root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 4 square root of 4 divided by 9 plus 16 25 square root of 20 is equal to 2 divided by 5. Modulus of the given complex number 2i divided by 3 plus 4i is equal to 2 divided by 5. This is answer. Hence, modulus of 2i divided by 3 plus 4i is equal to 2 by 5. Subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. This is given complex number. Let Z equal to 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Cross multiplication gives 2 minus I into 1 minus I plus 1 plus I into 1 minus 2i divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I is equal to product of first and first 2, first and second minus 2i, second and first minus I, second minus positive, I square is negative, so minus 1. First 2, next minus 2i, second first minus I, second plus I square is minus, plus next 1 plus I, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into I is this, next minus 2i, next minus 2i square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square model. So I square is minus 1, 1 square plus 1, again 1 square. I square is minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, so 1 square or 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, positive 1, this and this are cancelled, so 2. Next minus 2i, minus 3i, minus I plus I cancel, minus 2i, minus 4i, minus 4i, next I square is minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 4i divided by 2, common 2 of 2 minus 2i divided by 2, this and this are cancelled, we get 2 minus 2i. Z is 2 minus 2i. This is equal to 2 minus 2i. Now mod Z is equal to modulus of 2 plus I into minus 2. This means square root of 2 square plus minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 means 4 2s are 8. So 2 root 2. This can be written as 4 into 2. 4 outside the square root we get 2. So 2 root 2. Hence mod Z. Mod Z means 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Modulus of 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I is equal to 2 root 2. Subdivision number 3. And the modulus of 1 minus I whole to the power of 10. Let Z is equal to 1 minus I whole to the power of 10. Mod Z is equal to modulus of 1 minus I whole to the power of 10. This can be written as 1 minus I power 10. This can be written as 1 plus I into minus 1. This is complex number form. Okay. Now power 10. Modulus of 1 plus I into minus 1 is square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square power 10. This means 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 power 10. This can be written as root 2 power 10. Root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 10. This and these are cancelled 5. So 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Hence 1 minus I modulus of 1 minus I whole to the power of 10 is equal to 32. Question number 2. For any complex number, Z1, Z2, Z1 and Z2 such that mod Z1 is equal to mod Z2 is equal to 1 and Z1 into Z2 is not equal to minus 1. Then so that Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 Z2 is a real number. Let the given condition is Z1 mod Z1 is equal to mod Z2 is equal to 1 and the denominator product of Z1 and Z2 is not equal to minus 1. Suppose minus 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. We cannot find the complex number. Okay. Therefore, the given condition given mod Z1 is equal to 1. Mod Z1 is equal to 1 means squaring on both sides we get mod Z1 whole square is equal to 1. Mod Z1 whole square means Z1 into Z2 is equal to 1. No, Z1 dot Z1 bar is equal to 1. Now Z1 is equal to 1 divided by Z1 bar. The same way mod Z2 is equal to 1 is given. Squaring on both sides, mod Z2 whole square is equal to 1. Mod Z2 means Z2 into Z2 bar is equal to 1. This means Z2 is 1 divided by Z2 bar. The given condition gives Z1 is equal to 1 by Z1 bar and Z2 is equal to 1 by Z2 bar. Now we have to take the given Z1 plus Z2 divided by, this is Z mod. Now Z is equal to Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 Z2. This means 1 by Z1 bar plus 1 by Z2 bar divided by 1 plus 1 by Z1 bar into 1 by Z2 bar. Now take LCM. Z2 bar plus Z1 bar divided by Z1 Z2 bar divided by Z1 bar into Z2 bar. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 divided by Z1 bar Z2 bar. Denominator Z1 Z2 bar. Here denominator Z1 bar Z2 bar. These two are cancelled. We get Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Z1 bar plus Z2 bar divided by 1 plus Z1 bar dot Z2 bar. This can be written as Z1 bar Z1 plus Z2 whole bar divided by 1 plus Z1 bar dot Z2 bar. This can be written as whole bar. Now this can be written as 1 plus Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 dot Z2 whole bar. Z1 dot Z2 whole bar. But this is Z. So Z bar. Z is equal to Z bar means Z is real. Therefore Z is Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 dot Z2 is real. Hence the result. Hence the result. Next, sum number 3. Which of them points which of the points or which of them, which one of the points 10 minus 8i, comma 11 plus 6i is closest to 1 plus I. There are 3 complex numbers. Let the first complex number, let the 3 complex numbers be first A of 10 comma 10 minus 8i, B of 11 plus 6i, and C of 1 plus I. First, distance between AB and distance between BC, or distance between AC and distance between BC. First, distance between first AC means There are two complex numbers a and c. So modulus of 10 minus 8i minus 1 plus I. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus of positive negative, therefore minus 9 minus 9i. This means 9 plus I into minus 9. 9 square is 81. 9 square plus a minus 9 whole square. 9 square is 81. Again 81. 162. 162. Root of 162 units. Next to find AC BC. The distance between BC. BC means first B, then C, subtracting second from first. BC. B is 11 plus 6i. BC is 11 plus 6i minus bracket 1 plus I. Now 10 minus 1 is 11 minus 1 is 10. 6 minus I is 6i minus I is 5i plus 5i. This can be written as 10 plus I into 5. 10 square is 100 plus 5 square. 5 square is 25. 100 plus 25. 125. Now the distance between BC is 100 and root of 125 units. We see the distance between AC and BC 162 square root of, which is greater than 1 to 5. This is distance between AC. This is BC. So B is closest to C. Therefore B is closest to C. This means 11 plus 6i is closest to 1 plus I. Hence the result. Next question number 7. Question number 7. If Z1, Z2, Z3 are 3 complex numbers, such that mod Z1 is equal to 1, mod Z2 is equal to 2, mod Z3 is equal to 3, and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1, such that modulus of and 1, 2, 3, such that modulus of 9 Z1 Z2, 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z2 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 is equal to 6. Z2 Z3 is equal to 6. For Z1 Z3, 4 Z1 Z3 and Z2 Z3 is equal to 6. The given conditions are mod Z1 is equal to 1. Given mod Z1 is equal to 1. Mod Z1 is equal to 1 and mod Z2 is equal to 2. Mod Z2 is equal to mod Z3 is equal to 3. Squaring first mod Z1 whole square is equal to 1. This can be written as Z1 dot Z1 bar is equal to 1. Z1 is equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Next mod Z2 is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides we get mod Z2 whole square is equal to 4. This can be written as Z2 bar is equal to 4. Z2 is equal to 4 divided by Z2 bar. Next mod Z3 is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides, mod Z3 whole square is equal to 9. This can be written as Z3 bar is equal to 9. Z3 is equal to 9 divided by Z3. Now Z1 is 1 by Z1 bar. Z2 is 4 divided by Z2 bar. Z3 is 9 divided by Z3 bar. Now LHS equal to modulus of 9 Z1 Z2, 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3, 4 Z1 Z3, 4 Z1 Z3. Next plus Z2 Z3 is equal to 9. Z1 is 1 by Z1 bar into Z2 is 4 by Z2 bar plus 4 by 4 into 1 by Z1 bar plus into Z3 is 9 divided by Z3 bar plus Z2 is 4 by Z2 bar. Z3 is 9 by Z3 bar. Now 9 fours are 36 divided by Z1 bar Z2 bar plus 36 divided by Z1 bar Z3 bar plus 36 divided by Z2 bar Z3 bar. Common 36 therefore outside the modulus. 36 1 by Z1 bar Z2 bar plus 1 by Z1 bar Z3 bar plus 1 by Z2 bar Z3 bar. Take LCM. 36 of modulus Z1 Z2 is here. Therefore Z3 divided by Z3 bar divide multiply numerator and denominator by Z3 bar. Okay, so Z1 bar Z2 bar Z3 bar plus second part multiply numerator and denominator by Z2 bar divided by Z1 bar Z2 bar Z3 bar plus multiply third part multiply numerator and denominator by Z1 bar. So Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar Z3 bar. Now 36 Z1 bar multiply numerator denominator by here Z1 bar. Okay, now same denominator, therefore numerator Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar divided by denominator Z1 bar dot Z2 bar dot Z3 bar. Now 36 this can be written as Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar divided by Z1 bar. Z1 bar already Z1 bar is, yes, simply say modulus of Z1 bar plus into modulus of Z2 bar into modulus of Z3 bar. Now the numerator becomes 1. Why? Already given modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is 1. Therefore 1 modulus gives 36 into 1 divided by denominator modulus of Z1 bar is 1, modulus of Z2 bar is 2, modulus of Z3 bar is 3. Therefore 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. Hence this is RHS. Hence 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 is equal to 6. Hence the result. Next time sum number 10. Sum number 10. Find the square root of find the square root of number 1. Subdivision number 1 4 plus 3i. We know that a plus ib is a complex number. Square root of a complex number a plus ib is plus or minus root of mod z plus a divided by 2 plus ib modulus of b square root of mod z minus a divided by 2. This is a format. A plus ib is a complex number. Square root of the complex number is this one. First, find mod z. Let z is equal to 4 plus 3i. Mod z is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 9 is equal to root of 25 is equal to 5. So mod z is equal to 5. Mod z is equal to 5. This is a plus ib of the form. 4 plus I into 3 of the form. Here a is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. Apply the formula. Square root of 4 plus 3i is equal to plus or minus mod z. Mod z is 5 plus a is 4 divided by 2 plus ib. I into b is 3 divided by modulus of 3 is 3. Square root of 5 minus 4 divided by 2. Close this. Now 5 plus 4 is 3 cancel. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 square root of 9 is 3. So 3 by 2 plus or minus or minus 3 by 2. Here denominator root 2. 3 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. This is square root of the complex number 4 plus 3i. Hence 4 plus 3i square root of is equal to plus or minus bracket 3 divided by root 2 plus I by root 2. Next ex number 2.6. Number 1, if z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that z minus 4i divided by z plus 4i is equal to 1, so that the locus of z is real axis. Locus of z is real axis. Let z is equal to x plus iy. Substitute z is equal to x plus iy. X plus iy minus 4i divided by x plus iy plus 4i is equal to 1. Now collect the real and imaginary part. X plus I into y minus 4a divided by x plus I into y plus 4a is equal to 1. This can be written as x plus I into y minus 4a modulus divided by denominator x plus I into y plus 4 modulus is equal to 1. Cross multiplying square root of x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Cross multiplying we get x square plus y plus 4 whole square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We have x square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to x square plus y plus 4 whole square. Cancelling these two, x square cancel. Now y minus 4 whole square is equal to y plus 4 whole square. Expanding y square minus 8y plus 16 is equal to y square plus 8y plus 16. Apply a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 16 cancel. Next, y square positive y square cancel. So 0 is equal to 16y. 16y is equal to 0 implies y is equal to 0. Why 16 is not equal to, since 16 is not equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x axis. X axis. The locus of, therefore the locus of Z is, locus of Z is real axis. Real axis. Next, sum number 3. Obtain the Cartesian form of the locus of Z is equal to x plus iy in each of the following cases. In each of the following cases. Number 1, real part of Z, real part of IZ, real part of IZ whole square is equal to 3. First let Z is equal to x plus iy. IZ is multiply I on both sides, I into x plus iy. This means ix minus y. Y I square y. I square is minus 1. Therefore minus 1 into y is minus y. So this can be written as minus y plus I into x. A plus I be other form. Okay, a plus I be other form. Now real part of IZ. Real part of IZ is equal to, here real part, this is imaginary part. Real part of IZ is minus y. But real part of IZ is given by whole square is 3. Therefore real part of IZ whole square is equal to positive y square. But real part of IZ whole square is given by 3. Therefore from 1 and 2, into y square is equal to positive 3. This is Cartesian equation. Hence, the Cartesian equation is y square minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. So that question number 4. So that the following equation represents a circle and find the center and radius. Number 1, center and radius. Underline the word. Number 1 is a minus 2 minus I is equal to 3. Now, the equation of the circle is the general equation of the circle is Z minus C is equal to R of the form. C is center, R is radius. So, the given equation becomes Z minus bracket 2 plus I is equal to 3. This is of the form Z minus C is equal to R. So, this is C, this is R. Here, center of the circle is 2 plus I. Radius is 3. Hence, center is 2 plus I. Radius of the circle is 3. Now, homework. EX number 2.5. Sum number 1, subdivision number 4. Fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum, eighth sum, and ninth sum. 10th sum, subdivision number 2 and 3. EX number 2.6. Sum number 3, subdivision number 2, no, sum number 2, come on, subdivision number 3, subdivision number 2, subdivision number 3, subdivision number 4, sum number 4, subdivision number 2, subdivision number 3, sum number 5, subdivision number 1, and subdivision number 2. Dear students, any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.